Hi there, I am Ismail from Pelemon. One challenge many SEO professionals face is balancing search optimization with strong brand messaging. On one hand, we want pages that send clear signals to search engines using relevant keywords, structured headings, and optimized content. And on the other hand, businesses also want pages that reflect their brand identity, communicate their values, and connect with real customers. Sometimes these goals seem to conflict. For example, SEO might make you to use very direct keywords, while brand guidelines might prefer a more creative or unique tone. The key is understanding that good SEO and strong branding don't have to compete. They can actually support each other when done correctly. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to balance both. The tension between SEO and branding usually appears in a few specific areas. One example is keyword usage. SEO often requires using clear keywords so search engines understand what the page is about. But if those keywords are forced into the content too aggressively, the writing can sound unnatural or robotic. Another area is headlines. SEO headlines often focus on clarity and keyword relevance, while branding teams may prefer headlines that are more creative or emotional. Finally, there's a difference between writing for search engines versus writing for customers. SEO focuses on ranking signals while branding focuses on communicating value and building trust. The challenge is finding a way to do both at the same time. Before creating SEO content for any website, it's important to understand the brand itself. This means learning about the company's voice, values, and audience. For example, some brands prefer a professional tone, while others use a more casual and conversational style. Understanding the target audience is very essential. What problems are the customers trying to solve? What language do they use when describing those problems? When you understand both the brand and the audience, it becomes much easier to create content that aligns with brand messaging while still targeting relevant search queries. Modern SEO no longer requires repeating keywords excessively. Search engines are now much better at understanding context and topic relevance. This means you can focus on writing content that sounds natural while including the important keywords. Instead of forcing keywords into every sentence, you can place them strategically in areas like headings, introductions, and key sections of the page. The rest of the content should prioritize clarity and readability for the user. This approach allows the page to remain aligned with the brand's voice while still sending strong SEO signals. Another way to balance SEO and branding is through smart page structure. SEO benefits from clear headings and well organized sections, which help search engines understand the content. At the same time, this structure also improves the user experience. Visitors can quickly scan the page and find the information they need. Each section should answer a question or provide value to the reader. At the end of the page, strong calls to action can guide users towards the next step, such as contacting the company or exploring a product. It's helpful to think about SEO and branding as playing different roles. SEO is responsible for bringing people to the website, but once visitors arrive, branding becomes much more important. Brand messaging helps communicate the company's identity, values, and unique selling points. It's what makes customers feel confident about choosing that company instead of a competitor. In other words, SEO helps people find the brand, but branding helps people trust the brand. The most successful websites combine both elements perfectly. A simple workflow can help balance SEO and branding. First, identify the main keywords you want your page to target. Second, understand the intent behind those searches. What problem is the user trying to solve? Third, craft the content in a way that aligns with the brand's voice and messaging. Finally, Optimize the page with the necessary SEO signals such as headings, metadata, and internal links. This process ensures that the page is both search friendly and brand consistent. To summarize, balancing SEO and branding is about understanding the different roles they play. SEO helps search engines to discover and rank your pages. Brand messages help customers connect with the company behind those pages. Because if someone is not connected to your company, the urge to spend money on you becomes less. The most effective websites don't choose one over the other. Instead, they create content that is clear for search engines and compelling for real people. When both elements work together, the result is stronger rankings and also stronger customer relationships. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.